What's up guys, TNT Anglers back with another video. Today we're at a farm pond. Ty actually owns this pond, and he never really knew how much it would produce, like fish wise. He kind of thought it like sucked for the longest time, but he was out here mowing the other day, and he said he slayed them, and he actually ended up losing his PB, he thinks, so there's definitely big ones in there, but you know, you can't go wrong with a farm pond. So definitely going to start out with top water. I already got a spook tied on. I think Ty's rolling with the frog, but it's currently about like 5:45 or closing into 6. The sun's starting to come out, but yeah, the pond looks good. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm rolling with the white spook. There's a dock right here, so I'm going to try to target that. See if I can get one first cast here. Oh, dude, I didn't even twitch it yet, and it hit it. That scared the crap out of me. Dude, that was sweet. There's one. Not bad, first fish of the day. Popped himself off. Alright, first fish. These fish are pretty dark too. Not a bad one, probably about a pound. Caught it on the white spook.
Yeah, back to back. Teddy just released his. First one of the day right there. Easy, bud. Come on now. Right in the bottom lip. There we go. Off the green Cinco, right underneath that dock. I know there's plenty more under there. But good start to the day. Here you go.
Oh, dude, that one drilled it. That had to have been a decent fish. Dang, he came out of the water for that one. It's not a bad fish. Got that one on the spook again. Got it. There's a better one. That's not bad at all right there. He drilled it on the spook again. Alright, let's get him back in the water. Dang, he destroyed it, dude. Running towards me. Oh, he came off, dude.
Alright, so we're going to switch it up a little bit. We're going with this little lipless crank right here that we got in June. Lucky tackle box. This one was called the bootlegger. It's a pretty small one, but we're gonna cast it out here and see what we get. Is that a fish? Oh, bro, it is. Bro, I didn't even set the hook on this one. Like, I thought it was some grass. Dude, this fish is skinny. All right, so there's one on the lipless crank bootlegger. Just smacked it right out there. I actually didn't even really smack it. I didn't even tell he hit it. I thought it was in some grass, and I started reeling it in, and he came right towards me. Real skinny though. Not a very healthy fish, but pretty long. So back you go.
Alright, well there's my fourth one, I think. Dude, stop. Dude, this is your fish. Alright, so the reason I brought this fish over to show him is because when he was here fishing the other day, he caught a pretty good amount of fish and actually caught one that had a lip like this. And he said this is the same fish. And if you don't follow us on Instagram, Ty's hooked up. If you don't follow us on Instagram, it's at TNT Anglers. This is where you'll find the picture. Not bad. But yeah, I just caught the same fish that Ty caught the other day, so that's pretty cool. Let's get this guy back in the water. Look.
Yeah. Yeah, that's old boy.
That's him?
Yep. Yeah, that's old boy. There we go. Decent fish right there. Nice one. Caught on the bootlegger. Heck yeah, man. That's how you want them to eat them right there.
Did you catch him down here?
Yeah, right out there. Alright, there we go. Probably biggest of the day. Might be right up there with Teddy's. Solid fish. Ate that bootlegger from the Lucky Tackle Box, man. That thing's first time in the water. It's already slaying. Another solid fish. Let's get some more.
Dude, if I can skip it under this dock. Dang. There's one. Dang. It was in those, or in that grass for a second. Dude, these are just chunks, like solid. Like there's no dinks really. Switched up to the Cinco, caught that fish. Dude, these are dark. I mean, that's dark all over right there, even through the tail. It's a nice fish.
Oh. I think, yeah.
Ty's hooked up. Dang, not bad actually.
That is nice. There we
Right
go,
there,
baby.
biggest of the day.
Heck yeah. All right,
There we go.
let's put old boy in. Nice fish. All right, so that's gonna wrap things up for today. It's getting pretty hot outside, so Teddy and I are gonna head out of here. But pretty good day for this pond. Teddy and I caught about 8 fish. I caught my PB, so I'm pretty hyped about that. So pretty good day. Teddy's actually in there working on another video from our last fishing trip. So that video will come first, so be on the lookout for that. And then we'll probably drop this video right here. So if you haven't already, check us out on Instagram at TNT Anglers. We'll put it up here in the corner. And we hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you on the next one.